Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Today I want to show you how to make transparent orange in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. At first open the layer panel. Select the orange layer and unhide it. I want to work on this. Go to the select, and choose select subject. When it's selected, press Ctrl J to make a copy. Select this layer, and rename it to shadow. Then change the mode to multiply. Hide the orange. There is only the shadow. Unhide it, and select the layer. Then change the mode to linear light. Click on Adjustments, and add black and white layer. Click to clip to layer. Then drag the sliders like these. Come back to layer panel and see the result. Now the oranges has been changed to transparent. This is done, but the shadow has still red color. To fix this, select the layer, then click on Adjustments, and add black and white. Then click to clip to layer. Okay, the shadow also fixed. Select all these layers and group them. And this is done. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.